1,004 fresh, targeted, and highly engaging followers and leads is what I've personally been able to generate with my Instagram account on complete autopilot, without spending a single dime and without knowing anything about Instagram marketing. And today, I'll show you the exact software I use to generate these results, and how you can get your hands on this revolutionary tool for a special, never-seen-before one-time price. Hi, my name is Tom Yezvikov, and I've got a confession. I hate Instagram, but more on why later. Let's start with why I love it. Instagram is the #1 traffic source to focus on right now, and not only am I going to prove it to you, but also share how we used Instagram to get traffic and followers from scratch on autopilot, working just 1 minute. That's right, you heard me. 1 minute of work done. If you got a product to promote, a client to serve, if you're looking for the newest opportunity, and if you need traffic pronto, you're in the right place. Because what I'll share with you today will explode your followers and traffic, whether you know Instagram or don't. It's beginner and veteran friendly, and I bet my right leg, my left leg, and my kidney that you will get traffic from it as well, and ultimately conversions and sales. Skeptical? I bet you are. And without the software I'm about to show you, I would be too. Take a look at what we and our students have been able to achieve without any Instagram experience, patience, ads, or work. Traffic like this. Followers like that. This is just the tip of the iceberg. You can get results like these and even better even if you have no Instagram account or followers yet. 3 things to keep in mind about what we're about to share. As ridiculous as it may sound, it doesn't require more than 1 minute of work. It's not risky, shady, and unreliable. In fact, you can activate it and let it run forever. You absolutely don't need any Instagram knowledge with this. But if you do, you'll simply have an advantage with our system. Okay, so once again, my name is Tom Yezvikov, and I'm here on behalf of my partner, Usama Waleed, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how we went from dead zero traffic, low follower, no engagement Instagram accounts, to free traffic powerhouses in a short amount of time. I'll tell you the truth, I used to hate Instagram for 2 reasons. One is that I didn't understand the potential of it. I thought it was just another low-quality traffic source that only people like Ty Lopez or Gary Vaynerchuk and big influencers utilize. But I was wrong. The truth is, the traffic potential in Instagram is wait for it, sane. Here are some stats that blew my mind. 80% of internet influencers prefer Instagram to promote products from brands. Big businesses are spending hundreds of millions per year on Instagram advertising. 80% of users follow and engage with businesses on Instagram due to the smooth, non-salesy nature of it. 65% of top-performing Instagram posts are featured products. That means buyer traffic. 200 million Instagrammers actively visit the profile of a business every day. Instagram Stories, which we tap into as well, is the hottest thing right now with over 300 million stories viewed a day. I can go on and on. The data is there. But the bottom line is, Instagram is such an amazing traffic source and a branding source that you just cannot ignore it. Ignoring it, not tapping into it, is a massive mistake that is killing your business. End of story. Now, the second reason I hated it is because it takes a lot of hard work, patience, and engagement to get followers and traffic from Instagram. You need to post quality, engaging stories, content. You need to follow, like, and comment, and do all of these time-consuming specific manual tasks. I mean, what a living hell that is, right? Which is exactly why social media managers charge up to 5 figures per month. That's normally everybody's choice: spend out of pocket money, or become a slave of Instagram for $1 or $2. Well, I hated it. I had to find a way to automate the entire process, squeeze days of work into an hour, a minute even. And if you're watching this video today, it means whatever I had in mind worked, and you're going to benefit from it. And side note, imagine how much you can earn becoming a social media manager from it. Social media managers easily earn 5 figures per month, but more on that later. So I decided to partner with a top-of-the-line developer, Usama, and spend tens of thousands of dollars to develop an amazing, battle-tested by now, and extremely valuable Instagram growth tool, allow me to introduce ReachTreat. It's the best Instagram account management and passive growth software, and it friggin' rocks! ReachTreat will automatically do everything a human social media manager will do for you, only without the expenses, faster, and on autopilot. It'll get you targeted followers and fast traffic, and on autopilot by following, unfollowing, creating and publishing stories, content, posts. It'll like posts for you, engage with other users' content, and it will even research and find trending hashtags. It's an autopilot growth tool. And you can put it on autopilot mode or take the wheel and create something custom tailored to your business. And absolutely amazing! Your choice. We have multiple modes just for you. You can find the full list of features below, the entire galore. Not only that, our team behind ReachTreat continuously searches the internet for the newest IG trends and the best codes to improve ReachTreat so you are always on top of the game. And unlike other Instagram growth solutions, you do not need to pay monthly while we are on a special discounted on-time deal. So, you get all the benefits such as long-term traffic, insane reach, sales, attention, branding, and the ability to provide it as a service and become a social media manager. Without the hard work, the expenses, the time, the mistakes, the risk. And in the last few months, we've been testing it hard with users and, of course, on our own businesses. And we've been growing our Instagram accounts every time successfully. Now here's the deal. I don't want you to go through the learning curve we went through. I don't want you to struggle, suffer, or fail. I want to hand everything you need for fast money on a silver plate. And I want you to send me a screenshot or a video testimonial with your results. These things are really worth all our hard work. And because of that, I'm offering you ReachTreat for a ridiculous, and when I say ridiculous, I mean a borderline crazy low one-time price. Scroll down, click the big button, and I'll see you inside. Feel free to email us at the email given at the bottom of the page for support or if you have any questions. Now, if you're skeptical regarding your investment with us, you should know that you're covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, which basically means that you can try it completely risk-free. Now imagine that in 30 days, you are already out of your job, working from home and growing your Instagram account on autopilot, reaching new leads every day. Feels good, isn't it? Well, ReachTreat is the fastest way you can achieve it. PPS, proof, step-by-step walkthrough, and a bulletproof guarantee is just a fraction of how far we will go to help you. I understand it's scary to invest, especially with all these scams in every corner, and we want to keep our brand legit, whiter than cream, and just plain awesome. Therefore, if you're not satisfied, you won't walk away empty-handed. Never. It's been a pleasure talking to you. See you on the other side. Bye-bye.